One of these is staying in my pocket. The other one's done. Fresh blade change. No excuses. Just slide in and it locks right in. Fresh blade. Cut 3. The Klein. That Klein's only cutting through 2. Milwaukee is cutting through 3 layers of cardboard effortlessly. Beautiful cut. The Klein. Oh, that blade's starting to get thin. And it's leaving this, it's not cutting through 3 layers cleanly. Not cutting through 3 layers. 3 stacks of cardboard. Milwaukee. Flawless. Three stacks of cardboard. Klein. Only got 2. Not a clean cut. Let's throw the Klein in a 135-degree angle and see how it does this. It's got the knurling on there. See if it rips through. Beautiful and comfortable. Put the grip up there. Get that thumb up off. Get those fingers up off the table. And just frickin' let it eat. That's comfortable. Blade seems to be doing well for both of them. Don't have an issue on either one of them. Zip ties. Milwaukee first. Beautiful. Klein next. Little struggle with the Klein. This is starting to give a little bit. That's freaking barely anything. That's rock solid. This one's got a lot of play. Rock solid. Rubber hose. Let's see how the Milwaukee does. Clean cut. Ooh. Now, let's do the Klein. I got to put a lot more pressure on that to cut through there. This blade is just wanting to... Feels good in the hands. I think it's time for a blade change. Change the blade out. Oh, that's convenient. How about Klein? Oh, no extra blade. You're stuck with what you got. All right, that's enough cutting. Let's screw some shit in. Bit driver on the back. We got a couple screws here. Let's see how they take them out. Super comfortable. Milwaukee centered above the knife, giving you a full screwdriver-like feel. And you can just pull them screws right out of there. No issues. If you had to, you switch the bit over to a flat tip. Let's see the Klein screwdriver now. We'll go up here on this one. You can tell that the Klein is offset. I got nothing to grab as I'm turning. Like, doesn't feel as natural in the hands. I'm wanting to wander a little bit. and no flippable bit. All you got is your Phillips in there. So you can't even flip it and do straight. This is a little wobbly. Klein does, however, have a removable impact bit. So you just throw the bit right in your impact, put it on there, and you're ready to go. Take it out, throw it back in your knife, go on your way. Your Milwaukee, however, can lock in a 90-degree position. So you unlock it. It's got this little detent here, which makes it perfect. Makes it perfect for throwing on a 3/8 and driving those leg bolts in with that 90-degree angle. Same with pulling them out. Just get some nice leverage on there. The Klein, you can put this bit in as well. This comes out and just throw this in there as well. But, oh, locks it right in at 90. Boop. Let's move on. Both of these knives have ability to strip wire on them right in the blade. So let's install an outlet. Grab your wire, solid wire. Stripped. The cool thing about the Milwaukee is you can actually take the belt clip here, throw your wire in that belt clip, loop it over on itself like so. Take out your flat tip that Milwaukee provides. Throw that loop right on there like so. Take your flat tip. You're good to go. Klein's got the same thing. Wire stripper. Strip that wire back on there. There's really no good way to bend this wire. I mean, you could throw it in the belt clip like the last one. It's not gonna create that loop like the last one did, like Milwaukee did. But anyway, go ahead and throw that on there. And you're good to go. There's the Milwaukee in the pocket. Slides in there perfectly. Can't even tell. Nice and small. Fits super well. Go ahead and sit down. Great knife. In and out of the pocket while sitting. It is tipped down. Locks right in. The Klein. Doesn't really lock right in. Kind of scrunches the pants a little bit. It is a little bit bulkier in the pants. Doesn't look as natural as the Milwaukee does. Sit down. This one's tipped down as well. One cool feature about the Milwaukee that the Klein doesn't have, if you see this indent right here, your tape measure actually hooks right into that indent. Which if you guys, carpet guys or drywall guys mainly, drywall guys, hook that right on your drywall. Hook your tape measure right into your knife. Score it all the way down. Milwaukee wins on that one for sure. I think there's only one clear winner here. Milwaukee 6-1 is staying in my pocket. Whether it's the fit of the belt clip, the bottle opener after a long day, Being able to have the flathead on the other side and a flip reversible bit. That's a game changer. Or whether I'm up on a ladder and I break a blade and Milwaukee's got extra blade storage on board. It's a no-brainer. It's the Milwaukee for me. The Klein does shine in some places. That 135-degree angle is amazing. Being able to pull this off and use it at impact is another great addition. Don't get me wrong, it's a great knife. But I think I'm going to keep the Milwaukee in my pocket for now. There's links to both these in the description below, along with the gloves that I use. And pick yourself up some blades because you're going to need them. I'm going to enjoy this beer. I got shit to do, people to see, things to clean up. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Drop a comment down below what you guys want to see. Cheers.